What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's been, a lot's happened actually since the last video, but we just did it off camera. Leo was away, I couldn't be bothered filming. We just kind of smashed it out. It's a lot easier kind of thing doing that. So we have, my car is all back together. We got the brackets from Nick and got everything sorted, the diffs back in. We just got to put the diff bash plate under that. We just got that back from Rotorua Powder Coaters. So we've got to do that. Other than that, we just gave it a wash. It looks a lot better than it did. So yeah, shout out to Grant for that. That was, yeah, it was a bit of a major, but we got it done and that's all good. And now we have the Laurel in here because we are going to change the power steering pump. As I said in the last video, Colin from Rolling Addiction, he hooked us up a couple of power steering pumps for this car or any of the other cars that we need them for. In hopes that, yeah, we can kind of sort out the issue. So hopefully we can sort that. Marsha's just doing that now. Hopefully we can have it's square enough to stop spitting belts, because I don't think it spat this last one. So I think the pump actually just failed this time. So hopefully if we can put the other pump, the new pump on straight, we can run the belt and everything will be good. So yeah, we're going to get into that. Carnival is this weekend. So we're yeah, on a bit of a time crunch. Tonight's Monday night. But yeah, we just want to get everything done as fast as we can, just so that we can not have to stress about the cars and we can just focus on the event. So yeah, by the time this video goes out, entries would have closed. So I hope you guys are there. If you're not entered, you can enter on the day. The price does go up a little bit, but yeah, just come hang out. It's going to be a sick weekend. Yeah, Taupo International Motorsport Park. Be there.
What's the deal here, Marsh?
What are you doing? Power steering pump. Told you.
What's wrong with it?
Mechanic from way back. Bearing. There'll be a bearing inside here. Kaput.
No good.
No good. This mic.
Yeah.
Making some noises. Oh,
That's my hand.
that's my lens. I don't know if it'll pick it up.
Yeah, it sounds like shit. Yeah, look what we got. Nice black powder coat. It's a bit dusty because someone has been sanding down here.
Yeah, Leo.
Yeah, I know, right? Terrible.
My bad.
Right, how does this go? Oh, no shit. Oh, mate. No, where does it go? I don't know. Must do. Fuck. Suck it up.
Yeah.
It goes, must go on these. That's why they're so long.
Yeah, no, that's
And then these.
Oh, they're
front
sandwiched by
two.
the, like,
These
fucking
front two.
toe bar.
Oh, that's niggly. Oh well, get to
she's
it.
a beaut.
5-minute job to a 2-hour job,
Ah.
as per usual.
Okay, we could probably get away with hanging the exhaust off to the side. But we're going to actually drive it. Yeah, it's coming this weekend. We are fucking on.
What's going on?
Shout out to
We are on. Hopefully that works.
Where are the other bolts?
I don't know. True. That's your mission. Oh,
In here. There it is.
there we go. Under my arm.
Hiding it. Safekeeping.
Here, bro.
Fuck, where's the washer? Right, had one.
Oh, yeah, a cheap JBS one.
All right, so I don't even know what this video is up to, or like we're a few days deep into it. Really, it's been crazy trying to get things done after work and stuff. So we've got the Laurel fixed, got the power steering reservoir moved into a different area up by the radiator, which is going to be sweet because it's not going to get as hot as the turbo, which is fine. And then my car's pretty much ready to go. We've got all our tyres fitted up. I've got a spare wheel for the trailer. I haven't even told you guys, but hopefully you'll probably see in this video that we actually have a new car and a new trailer. Heaps of things are going on, but shit's just getting wild. It's 9 o'clock on Wednesday night and we are going to the track tomorrow morning to set up and film some things that we need to get done. Start of a big weekend here at CARnival, so yeah. We're going to film as much as we can, but we also have a lot going on, so we might as well, yeah, we'll do what we can. So hopefully the video's all good, but yeah, stay tuned. All right, we've got the Milwaukee light as our show light, you know, but as you can see, the van is a bit loaded.
It is packed.
We're good. And then there's like, we're on here. Everything is great. And then you guys will see later in this video, but we've got the Laurel has boxes in it. We've got, we need to,
Falling out of it.
yeah, it's got a lot of ethanol in it. We'll have to put that back in there and close the door. There we go. And yeah, everything is great. We have the new car loaded up. Well, yeah, the car loaded up onto the new car, the new trailer, but we'll see that when it's daylight because you can't see shit here. So we've got, Nick is in here. Wow. Right, Nick is in here. We'll just go see what he's doing because he's on the bloody welder. Is this legit?
Yep.
So he's got the old plates off the old trailer ramps and is making new ramps.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's going to do a good
Finding
job.
bits and pieces to, yeah, try and make it a bit safer.
It makes it like the trailer, so the ramps like lock onto the trailer,
Yeah,
so they don't
drill through
move.
holes,
Yeah.
drop it in. Sweet as.
That would have been a Nissan Bolt probably.
Yeah, was.
Yeah, it was.
Past tense.
Yeah, fucking hell.
Ain't no more.
That's all right. So yeah, we've got one car's clear out of here, done, loaded, full of shit. So yeah, we've got to get this one down. We've got to put the sway bar on it and stuff. Or do we even bother? I don't really care. We've got the other trailer, the cage trailer with all our event stuff, tents, merch, golf cart, all of the bits and bobs that we need. Oh, I don't know how long that lid's going to last. All those chips are going to go flying, but it's all good. Yeah, wow. So these are the new ramps that Nick's been building. So they'll be a lot better. And we're on. Look at that. Wow, that's loud. So yeah, we'll keep going. We've loaded up half the tyres, and then we've just got a stack. And legit, this weekend, I do plan on having, I think Mac's going to have a drive of my car. Hopefully Nick can get out for a session. I want Steph to have a drive. I want like people to just get out and enjoy cars. Leo's got his hand up. Don't know, he wouldn't be able to handle the RB Mana. So, but yeah, I just, want it to be fun for everyone to enjoy and stuff. So yeah, Mac's bringing some gas and some tyres he can use. And obviously him especially and Nick have put in the work on this car. And so Marsh doesn't want to drive it, I don't think. He's too scared. So, chicken. But yeah, it's all good. We are getting there. It's probably after 10 now, maybe. Oh no, it's 20 past 9, so it's not too bad. I want to be home by 11 midnight. So yeah. Wicked. Look forward to it. All right, so yeah, today we actually managed to get some new KR20A kenders for the front of these cars. Obviously, I think I showed you guys in the last video or earlier that the old ones were on the canvas on the inside. So yeah, managed to get a couple more of these for my car and a couple more for Steph's Laurel. So we're good there. Look at this. We gave it a little bit of a clean, but like look how gangster this billet FDF stuff looks. Fancy. Nice Hakon coilovers up there. Everything's great. This car got a little bit of love the other day, so yeah, all is good. It's time for a thrashing, and yeah, everything should be great. Alright, so it's just about midnight, which was meant to be like kind of knock off, but we're nearly there. My bro over here, because you can't have new ramps and then nowhere to fucking put them. So we had to mount them, so we've got some slots so we can mount them on the front, a brace underneath them to hold the weight, and then we'll just put a strap around the bottom to hold the weight down. Easy as, no worries, we're nearly there. So yeah, we'll put a very limited amount of spares in my car, or for my car. We're not going to take any axles or anything for Steph's car because there'll be a lot of other guys that have that stuff there, and if we can just do that rather than just carrying a whole bunch of spares, and we just simply do not have room. So putting stuff for my car because mine's obviously a bit more custom, I guess, compared to hers. Hers has got all factory Nissan stuff that we can just grab from anyone. So yeah, we've got a few wheels lying around the place, but we can't load them onto the trailer while Nick's busy. And then we have to put the car on first, so we'll do that very shortly, I think.
Test out the new ramps.
Yeah. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Oh, oh. Off. Yeah.
Look at that.
Bingo. Look at that. Dream result, you know. What do we... What?
Don't even need to put them down.
That'd be so fucking heavy. Surely. You're going to have hit a really big bump
Yeah,
to...
I'll make sure to avoid the potholes in the
Yeah. It's Leo's first time towing. Let's give him an experience.
It's a bit of liability, yeah, with your car on the front.
You'll be right. What do you need? Oh, another ramp? Oh, right here. I'll grab this one. Are we going to go opposite?
No, I don't think so. Nah, because of the gaps in between.
Are you sure? But if you go this way, then it won't overhang.
Yep.
I don't know. Give it a hoot. Ooh! Fuck, they're not breaking. Jesus! Oh, fuck yeah. I reckon a little strap round there.
For now, yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Bingo. Are we going to paint them? Fuck no. Let them rust. No, well,
It's going to be a lot of beeps.
what I'll do, no, yeah, we're deep in the video, it doesn't matter. I reckon what we'll do,
Sorry, kid.
we could, bro, imagine just powder coating them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, looks good.
dual lux overhaul.
Do the guard and we're done.
Yeah, give the guard a little blaze up, because you see this one, solid. If we go around here, this one, not so solid. But the bar's here, so it's broken off. All we've got to do is go like that and weld it, and it'll be good to go. So we're on. You know, can't have the old trailer getting fucking shown up by the new trailer, so we gave it a little bit of a fix up. A tech screw through there to hold that board down. Tech screw there to hold that one down. Look at that. No worries. Except this, you know, this is a little bit, but we'll get that. If we go like that, strong, solid, but it breaks. So we'll do that. And I got the spare wheel that had a puncture, got that repaired today. So we are just, yeah, geez, look at us go.
2 steps ahead.
Well, you know, pal, you know, just setting the standard around here.
When you're in this business,
You know, Marsh is over here just buying Fords, cutting the springs and, oh God.
I'm moving.
Leo, you're moving.
Safety squint.
All right, so we have made it here. We did get home at 1 o'clock last night, which is a bit of a shame, but it's all good. We feel good. Had a little bit of a sleep in, and yeah, Leo towed for the first time with a big payload. So that was all good. We got here safely. It's sunny here today, but it's really windy, so it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. It's dry. But yeah, I obviously said earlier that we have a new vehicle and trailer. So we got a new trailer last weekend because obviously we have 2 cars. And then we also have a Prado. We got a 2015 Prado. Tim's in the background on the bloody blower, so hopefully you guys can still hear me. But yeah, we got a 2015 Prado the other day because we needed a 7-seater for the kids. And yeah, they're just a Toyota, you know, Toyota strong kind of deal. So yeah, got us a new tow setup. This is Steph's setup, obviously my setup. So yeah, it's all good. Yeah, we're pretty stoked and yeah, really happy with our purchase and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna get into it now. It's about lunchtime, so we need to really unpack as fast as we can. We've got some videoing to do. And then we need to get Leo back to Rotorua to get some more merch. So everything's crazy. So yeah, we'll just start unloading these cars, get them into the garages, and then yeah, just start chipping away at getting set up for this weekend. It's gonna be sick.